Okay, so here is unit E, where it starts. You're going to want to scroll down. And right here you have view answers. That brings up these charts with red lines that show your start time and end time. So we have like what is this, 10, 20, 30, 2:38 right here, and 7:18 right here. So you're gonna open your calculator, and you're gonna want to take your higher time for the S wave, which is gonna be 7:18, and then subtract your smaller time, which for this one is 2:38. Okay, so you have 480 seconds between the two. You're going to divide them by 60. So there's 60 seconds in a minute. So you have 8 minutes of time gap between the two waves. Then, sorry, let me go back and open this. Hold on. You're going to want to pull up that PowerPoint that is on the Unit E assignments list and go down to the blank chart right here that she provides you. So we have 8 minutes for this last time gap, if you remember right. So the way I did it is I took a piece of paper and put it over the screen and used a line. So I just made the paper flush with the bottom of the chart, and then use one of the writing lines, and you can see underneath the paper the little minute marks. See, here's 8 minutes right here. So I put a little red mark that tells me I'm at 8 minutes from the bottom of the chart. So then you're going to want to slide this over and line the bottom of your paper up. Hold on, sorry. So you want this little gap to fill in your wave. So we're at, oh, where's it line up at here? Okay, so right here you can see the bottom of the paper meets the P line, and the mark I made meets the S line. So that tells you you're just going to slide your paper straight down. I'm stuck, hold on. Okay, so I just scrolled the chart down so I can see the bottom of it. As you can see, it lines up right here at the bottom. Each block is 20 units. So it landed, that little mark I made filled up the space at 6,600. So there's 6,000, 62, 64, and 66. So that's right here. It was on this line. So you're going to have the number 6,600. So I'd write that down so you don't forget it. And that is from the Forest Western Australia station. So you're going to go there, zoom in, and this part's kind of stupid because the Layered Earth program sucks. So you're going to go pull up the measurement tool right here and click line, and then zoom in here on the site and just click it to start your line, and then I zoom back out, and you need 6,600 kilometers to be the length of your line. So that's pretty big space. The earthquake is kind of in this region, so I push all my lines away from that so they're not in the way when I'm trying to measure later. So I pulled my line off this direction, and you kind of have to just trial and error. So like I'll run it to right here, and we have 5,097 kilometers. We need 6,600, so unfortunately you have to just go back in, start another line measurement. So we need about another 600 kilometers, so I'm going to go start a new one, click it, zoom back out, and try a little bit longer this time and see if I get closer. Okay, we got 5,700. Still need to go a little further. About another 1,000 kilometers. We'll try this. Okay, we got 6,825. We're getting closer, so probably something like here. Try one more time. Okay, we got 6,509. Getting pretty close. This is really stupid because you can't see the length of the line as you're making it. So this is like the obnoxious part of the assignment. Okay, I got 6,592, so I'm within 8 kilometers of where I need to be. Gonna call that close enough. So it's my top line, last one I made. Go back to your measurement tool over here, and instead of line this time, you're gonna want circle. So the circles can be touchy. See how I just clicked to move the globe and started the circle? I gotta hit the X to stop it. So the best way to do this is start your circle, click it, and then zoom way out and click off of the earth to spin the earth, because if you click anywhere on the earth, it's going to lock your circle in and you're going to have to start over with a new circle, which again is very obnoxious. So we want it to line up the edge of your circle. You want it right with that last line, you know, because I was really close with that one. So just get it lined up with the edge of your line and then click. So that shows you the radius for that station. And then you're going to repeat that same process for Japan and Honduras over here. And they'll all three make a circle. And those 3 circles are going to meet. I don't want to tell you where because I don't want to get in trouble for cheating. But they're like, they should meet up around in this area. And then you just have to answer, you know, here's your charts for the other 2 stations, Honduras, Japan, and then you just have these 4 quick questions to answer. Hopefully that helps you. If you have any more problems, just message me.